This video will show you how to assemble the Trojan horse, the ultimate urban camouflaged integrated pest management system by J.T. Eaton. Here are all the parts included in the Trojan horse kit. In the upper left-hand corner, we have the Trojan horse base labeled as A. This base is the integrated pest management station. Below that is the pole, labeled E. This pole holds the sign. The pole is made up of two pieces. Then to the right of the pole is the sign itself, labeled F. Pieces B, C, D, G, and H are rather small, so let's take a closer look at those. Starting with the anchor, or C, which is a way to anchor the station to an immovable object. The key, or B, is how you get access inside the base of the station. The hex bolt, or G, and the wing nut, or H, are used to secure the sign to the pole. Finally, the small bolt is used to secure the two pieces of the pole together, using the provided Allen wrench, both labeled as D. Here are all the pieces in the kit laid out on a table. Let's start by assembling the pole. The side I am touching first is the bottom that inserts into the base. Now I am touching the top that connects to the sign. The other two sides fit together, one inside another, and are secured by screwing the small bolt inside the hole using the Allen wrench. Once the bolt is tightened down, we are ready to attach the pole to the sign. When attaching the sign to the pole, it is important that the part of the sign that opens up is at the top, facing away from the pole. Once you are oriented correctly, grab the pole and slide the hex bolt into the hexagonal indentation at the top of the pole. Align the grooved circle at the top of the pole with the one on the back of the sign. It is important that both grooved circles are facing each other, as those will allow you to control the angle of the sign. Hold the sign at the desired angle and then tighten the wing nut on the end of the hexagon bolt to attach the sign to the pole and maintain the desired angle. Here is an up-close demonstration of this process. As you can see, the grooved circles are face to face with each other. By moving the pole and tightening the wing nut, you can achieve any angle needed. Now let's look at the base of the Trojan horse. The hole at the top is where the pole holding the sign slides in. On the front is the drawer to access the inside. This integrated pest management station has an entry hole on either side for easy pest entry. In the back of the station, you will find holes to attach the anchor. The anchor comes with a key to lock it in place, preventing unwanted removal. The station itself is weighted, so an anchor is optional. Your first step to gain entry to the station will be to manually open the drawer using the clearly marked Trojan horse key. Insert the key and turn it counterclockwise. Once inside the drawer, you will need to add batteries for entry using the RFID chip to work. To do this, turn the battery cover knobs counterclockwise to remove them and open the battery box, pictured in step 2. Next, insert the included 4 AAA batteries as pictured in step 3. Then, close the battery box and reattach the battery cover knobs, turning them clockwise to tighten. Now close the drawer by pushing inward with pressure on the right-hand side. You can now also open the drawer using the RFID chip in the top of the key by aligning it with the designated place on the front of the drawer. Once inside the drawer, you will find the insect bait buffet, a specially formatted bait holder for liquid, gel, and granular baits to target cockroaches, ants, or other target insects. You can continue to use this dish inside the station or replace it with other tools of your choosing. The drawer also comes equipped with removable bait rods to hold rodenticide baits. Once the bait rods are removed, the tray lining can also be removed for easy cleaning. When it comes to pest control tool usage in the station, the possibilities are endless. The drawer comes with indentations to keep glue boards and snap traps from sliding around. However, the tools you place inside are up to you. The Trojan horse can be used to control insects, rodents, or both simultaneously. It can even hold a little pea or full-sized repeater multiple catch trap. To attach the sign, just slide the bottom of the pole into the designated hole on top of the Trojan horse base. The pole will fit snugly but can be removed if needed at any time. The Trojan horse comes with a weatherproof sign that says welcome on one side and thank you on the reverse side. You can order customized signage through our convenient portal using the QR codes on the back of the frame, the back of the pole, and the back of the base. Your Trojan horse is now all assembled and ready to be placed where needed and to hold what's needed. Thank you for watching this JT Eaton instructional video. For any questions regarding the Trojan horse, please contact csr@jteaton.com.